Hello, 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 hello. So, this morning, I just got this, my funnel hacking live swag box. I am so super excited. And my daughter wouldn't let me open it because we were going to video it. And I've been so excited to open this. So, let's go. On that one. Let's put the camera down so you can see in the box.
Spin it round.
This is so exciting. I can't get it out. Right, we've got box. So, this is the box. This is the box.
Let me open it.
No, this is the box.
Show them first. Let me open it.
Okay. Oh, wow. Your future 2 comma club. Wait. Yes, I've got my name on that 2 comma club award for next year. Yes, isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
So what have we got?
What's this? I'm a funnel hacker.
I am a funnel hacker. That is cool. I love that. And then on the other side,
What's it doing?
we've got I build funnels.
I built funnels.
It's the wrong way round on there. Sorry, it's back to front. That is awesome.
Look at these.
We're putting that up on the screen on Wednesday.
Look at these. They got a bit squish, but you got that. I think. They light up.
Light up.
Oh, they need that. Oh, pull that out. No, pull that out. Oh, they light up. Can't really see on that.
Let's shut the curtain.
There you go. And they light up. And there you go.
Look.
That's cool.
They are cool.
You have your own bag.
Huh?
You have your own bag.
Cool. So that's a pair of those. So far we've got a pair of those.
And that.
And we've got this. And that.
Okay.
We have got our own funnel hacking bag, Clickfunnels. That is awesome.
Does that have anything inside?
No.
Oh.
Let's have a look.
Well. It's like a freezer bag.
It's a laptop bag. That is nice. Oh, and it has a compartment there on the side for your files. Water bottle holder. What's down the bottom? Oh, and it's got a cool bag at the bottom for your lunch
Told you.
and your drinks.
And then, well, look at this.
Wait. Wait. So that's the bag.
Now, instead of using some boring old hand sanitizer, you've got your funnel hacker hand sanitizer.
Funnel hacking hand sanitizer. Just standard hand sanitizer, but that's pretty cool. Because everybody who's going live is getting it when they arrive, And they all need some hand sanitizer.
And look what I got. Instead of wearing a normal mask, you can wear...
Oh, yeah. Funnel. Clickfunnels mask. Super cool. So, if you've just joined us, we'll recap on what we've got so far. We've got this banner.
That's both ways.
Which we've got.
I
build funnels.
And I'm a funnel hacker.
And I'm a funnel hacker. We've got the bang bang sticks that light up. Hashtag funnel hacker. We've got the hand sanitizer. And we've got...
You got it upside down.
Oh well. The Clickfunnels mask. Right, what's next? What's next? What's next?
This is a bouncy ball.
Is it?
I think.
No.
Oh.
Let's open it up.
I'm sure it's...
Oh, it's lip balm.
Oh, bouncy ball.
It's lip balm. I do love a little bit of lip balm. It says...
Tiny writing.
Funnel. It's not focusing, is it? No.
Well,
Try
anyway, it says... You didn't even tell them what it says.
Funnel hacker.
Hashtag funnel hacker.
Yeah, lip balm. Nice. Love lip balm. What's next?
I think they're pencils.
This is next. What is it? What is it? What is it?
Pencils? No. Can you get it out?
No. Oh, it's a pen.
Oh, Clickfunnels pen.
Clickfunnels pen. Awesome.
And a fun bag.
Ooh. Fun bag. Cool. You've got a bum bag, 2 compartments. Keep your pen in.
And your hand sanitizer.
Oh yeah, your hand sanitizer and your mask. What's next? What's next? Oh, pop socket! Yay, pop socket! Funnel hacker pop socket.
But you've got that in it.
Oh yeah. What's next? What's next? What's next?
A book.
Book.
Cool.
Funnel hacking 2021.
What is
Funnel hacking live. If you don't know what I'm talking about, Funnel hacking live is a big conference which is happening on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday this week, and it's live in Florida. It's on every year and it is amazing. It has some of the biggest funnel hackers from across the world. If you can't attend live, you can watch it virtually and you get a swag box. I think if anybody's interested in going, they still do have a few virtual tickets left, but we're doing the unboxing of the Funnel Hacking Live swag box, which just arrived today, and I'm so super excited that we had to do an unboxing. So the book, it's just a book to take your notes. I don't think that book's going to be big enough to take all the notes that we need to take from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, but it's cool. And of course, oh, it's long sleeve. Wasn't expecting that.
And it says, surround yourself with the dreamers and the
doers.
doers.
I'll read it out now. So, funnel hacking down the arms. I'm not sure if I'm liking long sleeve shirt. I like short sleeves.
We'll just cut the sleeves off.
I don't know if I like long sleeves.
Cut the sleeves off.
I don't know if I like long sleeves.
Yeah, but you can cut the sleeves off. You silly.
Funnel hacker. And on the back it says, surround yourself with the dreamers and the doers, the believers and the thinkers. But most of all, surround yourself with those, can't read, With those who see the greatness within you, even when you don't see it yourself. That is awesome.
Now we need to do a recap, just in case.
But I want a short sleeve t-shirt. I'm going to put it on.
Okay, so if you don't know, we have got this.
Recap. Do a recap.
So I built funnels on one side, and then on the other side it says I am a funnel hacker. So that's that.
It's a bit like pajamas. It's a bit like wearing a pajama top.
Yeah.
Not sure.
And we've got these that say #funnelhacker, and they do light up into blue. That's cool. Oh, my fingers.
What else we got?
We've got some hand sanitizer that says funnel hacker, and it's just some ordinary hand sanitizer.
And we got the funnel, Clickfunnels mask.
And we've got this, you can't really see, but it says Funnel Hacker 2021 live, and it's just like a book.
I have to put all your notes in from the event.
Where's the pen gone? In your bum bag.
Oh yeah. We've got a bum bag. Not sure when I will wear a bum bag, but there we go.
And there's
a pen.
A pen that says
Always got to have a pen.
Clickfunnels. And then you've got this what's it called?
Pop socket.
Pop socket that goes on your phone. It said Funnel Hacker.
On the bag.
And we've got this bag. It's massive.
Which is pretty awesome. Pretty awesome bag.
It's got like all different compartments in it. And there's loads of compartments in that. And then you've got a holder here on the side. And
my glamorous assistant.
And another one here. And you got something in the front as well.
There's a cool bag. Cool bag there. And the box that it came in is pretty awesome. Got to keep this. Says your Future 2, Club Award. Yes, that has got my name on it.
What?
For 2022.
What?
For sure.
What? Oh.
This will say Polly Powell 2022. For sure. Keeping this box. And then we've got the lovely long sleeve top, which feels like pajamas. But I will be staying up till midnight to watch it because it's Florida. I'm in the UK. And I'm going to do
Will you do
recaps.
Yeah.
I'm going to do a recap of the Funnel Hacking Live every morning because it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon until like midnight UK time. So every morning I'm going to do a live and give a recap of all my tips from funnel hacking the day before. All my key takeaways and actionable tips that I can share with everybody who can't attend, because it is a big investment to attend Funnel Hacking Live, but they still do have some tickets left if you want to go grab a virtual ticket. It starts Wednesday, 2 o'clock I think, UK time, and it runs for ages. But it's gonna be so amazing. I'm so excited about Funnel Hacking Live. Anybody got any questions about anything? Do you want answering about anything that we've got or anything about Funnel Hacking Live?
You better use these on the days.
Yeah, I'll
and you better use your book.
I'll be using these.
And your book. And then you should use...
Yeah, it's all pretty awesome.
Put this on your phone.
Pretty awesome. I think everybody's getting their swag boxes delivered today. Unless you're attending live, you get it when you arrive. So everybody who's going, you won't get them till Wednesday. Anyway, super cool. Super cool. And that's it, guys. So, anybody got any questions about anything? Anything to do with funnel hacking live? Any of the swag? I'll have to take a picture with
your mask.
With my mask
and
on.
Your book.
It's quite alright. It's quite
everything.
nice. Yeah. Cool. So thanks for joining me.
Do you like leather
jackets? No, not really. I'm more about a t-shirt and leggings kind of girl. That's got nothing to do with funnel hacking live and swag. Funnel swag. Funnel swag. Yeah. Like the bag. I like the mask. I like the book. I'm not sure when I would use this. I'll have to keep it for a rainy day.
Lip balm you love.
Oh, I absolutely love lip balm, so that is absolutely amazing. I do love pop sockets, so I'm going to use that. Hand sanitizer, yeah, that's good for everyone who's attending live, but I'm not, so.
Yeah, but it still could be good for you because you could still use it instead of normal ones.
Yeah.
Or the normal one.
Yeah. Like the pen.
You could write in your book with that pen. I like that.
I like this.
That's my favourite.
That's pretty cool.
And
I like these when it gets dark. We'll have to do one in the dark so we can see how effective these are.
And the best thing out of all is the box.
And the box is awesome, and our award for next year for sure. So there we go. That's it, guys. Thank you. See you soon.